Hi everyone, welcome to Cookie the Buggy. In this video, we are going to show you some types of buggies. Olive green, it is the darkest green shade. It is a common mutation. Light green, it is the lightest green shade. It is a common mutation. Albino buggy, this type of buggy doesn't have any dark marks. Lutino buggy, same as albino but in yellow color. Cremino buggy, that is albino plus lutino. English buggy, this type is bigger than normal buggy. It is a common mutation. Helicopter buggies, this type of buggy's feathers at the top looks like helicopter wings. Half rider, it is a rare mutation. Spangle buggy, it is a rare mutation. It have light marks. Golden face, it is a common mutation. Rainbow buggy, it is a mix of blue, yellow, grey and so on. It is a rare mutation. Please subscribe, like and share. Don't forget to click the bell icon. And see more videos from Cookie the Buggy. Bye.